There's so much incredible work done by nonprofit organizations right on our doorstep. Let's take a look.
Do you know that almost 90% of burn injuries are considered preventable? Education and prevention can help to keep you and your family safe. Let's learn how one local organization is bringing positive and proactive change that saves lives.
Arizona Burn Foundation's mission is to improve the quality of life for burn survivors and their families while promoting burn prevention and advocacy. The biggest challenge that we find with burn survivors and their families is the unknown. What we want to work with them on is this understanding. This is going to be your next process, is going to be understanding what's normal for you is now this. We want to start working with the family at the moment of burn as close as we can to start getting them to see there is going to be life after burn. There is going to be an opportunity for you to be a quality family and have a quality of life.
For nearly 60 years, the Arizona Burn Foundation has been dedicated to providing essential support programs for burn survivors and their families.
2 doctors who were starting the burn center here in Maricopa County found they could actually help patients get through their injuries physically, but they noticed there's going to be a void when it comes to emotional support. So they in '67 decided they needed an outside the hospital foundation that would be there to support the families and the patients emotionally and physically as they move forward into life.
I fell in a fire when I was 6 months from turning 21. I was actually called a burn victim. So my 20s were pretty hard, kind of having that mentality and then not having the extra resources and community of other burn survivors. Now that I volunteered with the Burn Foundation so much, that mindset has shifted from a burn victim to a burn survivor. I had loving family and friends and support around me, but not really a community of other people that truly knew what I was going through. And now I do have that. Another way that I've gotten community and connection through the Arizona Burn Foundation is they have special camps. Some are for adults, some are for young adults, and I've done a couple of those, so I've gotten to build really good connection with other burn survivors. That has also helped me to shift the paradigm from being the burn victim to burn survivor, being able to help other ones as well, which in turn, again, just helps my own healing.
We support Arizona Burn Center in Maricopa County and the University of Arizona Banner in Tucson. So if you're in the hospital, in those 2 hospitals, you will be connected to the Arizona Burn Foundation. The continuum of care model that Arizona Burn Foundation has created in 2020 was really to identify how we can make that deepest impact and the most meaningful impact. So we look at it from 3 angles: crisis, recovery, and then thriving. When you're burned and you're in the hospital, that is the crisis moments. Then as you move into recovery, as the patient becomes more aware of their situation, we focus a little bit more attention on their emotional needs, but also then asking them what their next steps are going to be. And then as we go into thriving, it's once they discharge out of the hospital, now we're starting to talk to them about how do we get you back into your normal flow of life. Arizona Burn Foundation has a mantra of prevent, survive, thrive. So we've created a book called Milo and Moxie. It's a storybook to teach kids about what to be aware of in your house, what to do if you hear a smoke alarm go off, how to create an exit plan from your house. We worked with the fire departments to create now a smoke alarm program that has installed over 30,000 smoke alarms in the state of Arizona, free of charge to the residents.
We see a lot of fires that happen around the kitchen and with cooking. Those tend to start fires, and they also cause a significant amount of burn injuries. It's really important to partner with foundations like the Arizona Burn Foundation to do smoke detector walks and promote safety, because these are all preventable injuries.
Specific communities, especially the differently abled and hard of hearing, also benefit greatly from the services offered.
We had a person in our community that actually passed away in a fire, and unfortunately is because we found she was deaf. That had the Arizona Burn Foundation looking at our process, and we found a system that includes a Bluetooth smoke alarm connected to a strobe light, so the lights will flash first, and that strobe light then is connected to a bed shaker, which actually shakes the bed if the resident is asleep.
In the past, there was no smoke alarm system, and I would have to rely on my hearing child. Now, with the equipment from the Arizona Burn Foundation, the special fire alarm system alerts me in case of a fire. I sleep very peacefully knowing that my family is safe.
Burn and fire safety starts with prevention and education. To learn more about the Arizona Burn Foundation, visit azburn.org or see the segment again on thebalancingact.com.